Hello, everyone. My name is Evie Tai. I'm the business development at Qualcomm and also the lead of our startup incubation program, Qualcomm Innovate in Taiwan Challenge. Through the program, we support the growth of Taiwan startup ecosystems in areas like 5G and AI. Qualcomm is enabling a world with everyone and everything intelligently connected. Through our invention and close collaboration with ecosystem partners through the innovation programs like this. And as you might have noticed, we are on the verge of a new era of smart connected devices, generating lots of information around our environment and about ourselves. We foresee data being protected by on-device security is key. And hardware-based security solution brings a good level of security and robustness. Therefore, I'm very delighted to learn Taiwanese startups share the same vision with us, and is devoted in providing hardware security IP for these rapid growth smart devices across various industries. It's my privilege to welcome Zhang Zhang from Jmem Tek. I'm looking forward to his sharing about his vision and how their technology are going to evolve to foster a safe and secure world in this new era. Let us welcome Zhang from Jmem Tek.
Hi, I'm John, CEO of Jmem tek. Hacking is everywhere, and you may be the next victim. Recently, IoT hacking has been increased significantly. As the e-cars market grows rapidly, even world-leading companies like Tesla has been reported several hacking issues from the news. In addition to hacking, in 2020, a fatal F-16 crash causing the death of a pilot was the result of a counterfeit chip problem. These incidents can be categorized into two problems: brute force attack and reverse engineering. Jmem tek is an IP company that focuses in creating advanced hardware security to combat with hacking and counterfeiting. Counterfeit electronic components is valued at astonishing $60 billion per year, according to OECD report. As the threat grows, embedded security systems is predicted to reach $10.4 billion just within 4 years. So to address these safety issues, there are software and hardware solutions exist. For software, you always need to update it frequently, but there is always a lot of loopholes. And with these loopholes, hackers will be able to bypass them and hack into your systems. And this is the reason why Jmem tek choose to go with hardware security. For hardware security, as is typically programmed physically by current or voltage, so it is impossible to be able to modify over the internet. However, current technology, like One Time Programmable Memory, it only contains one single bit. And so the counterfeiting and device hacking will still be possible by reverse engineering or brute force attack. Now, introducing multi-states one-time programmable memory, MSOTP. To compare with current OTP with only 2 states, MSOTP offers advanced technology on multi-state functions. For example, 00, 01, 10, and 11. Let's talk about reverse engineering. Traditionally, hackers will try to tear down the IC chip and gain the access information inside the chip, such as secure ID code. This procedure is known as reverse engineering process. For MSOTP, as it increases the complexity significantly, the hackers will get confused, and they are no longer easy to do so. For brute force attack, let's take a 64 bits, for example. For current OTP, as it only contains 2 states, it will actually only take 128 trials to crack the device. with MSOTP, firstly, you need to decide which bit is using which technology. Then plus the multi-stage functions, the number of trials will up to 360 trials trillion times to crack it. In other words, it's uncrackable. Currently, Jmem tek owns 2 Taiwan patents, 2 US patent pending, and multiple provisional patents. Jmem tek's business model is intellectual property based, where we introduce our innovation technology to the integrated device manufacturers to generate the demand. Then we'll co-work with the design house with a charge of license fee, and we provide the GDS file to them to embed it into their design chip. Then we'll co-work with the foundry. They will manufacture the products with our IPs in it, and that's where we charge the royalty. We've done a lot of things in the past. In the last year, we have proven the concept, and earlier this year, we have also completed design. Currently, we're working on the POCs right now with various technology nodes. In the coming days, we're moving to the e-cars and AI due to the pressing market need. So our mission is to build an all-in-one module which will build up a more secure data environment. To complete this objective, besides the storage that we just discussed, there are also other advanced technologies that we're currently building. For example, physical unclonable functions as our root of trust. This is to program randomly to prevent illegal chip duplicating. For crypto processors, is to encrypt all the information that being transferred. And also side channel attack protection is to protect external hacking methods. Then we'll combine all these technologies into trusted platform module. We're looking to complete our POCs and design with the design house by 2024. As 2025, we're targeting to reach $2 million revenue. And for all the technologies that we have, we're looking to go with 25 million revenue in 2027. Our team are not just exceptional in academic, but also with 10+ years of co-working experience with world-leading companies like TSMC, Apple, Qualcomm, NXP, etc. Other team members also have various designs from 40 nanometers down to 3 nanometers technology node. We're backed by the world-leading VCs like SparkLabs Taiwan, 500 Global, and Mosaic Venture Labs. We also got great support from our technical advisors like Professor Zhao Tiansen and Albert from Silicon Valley, along with all the experienced business advisors. And most importantly, they are all our strategic investors. Jmem tek exists to create an innovative technology for IC security for the coming IoT, e-cars, and AI era. If you want to build a more secure future, please join us. I'm John from Jmem tek. Thank you.